In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files to messages in Outlook. Whether you are starting a brand new email or replying to a thread, adding files is quick and simple once you know where to look. First, open Outlook and make sure you are on the main mail view. From here, either compose a new message by selecting New Email or open an existing conversation and choose Reply or Forward. This gets you into the email editor where the attachment tools live. At the top of the window, you'll see the ribbon. Depending on your layout, you can attach files from either the Message tab or the Insert tab. Look for the option labeled Attach File and select it. This opens up your choices for where the file should come from, and the approach you choose depends on whether the file is stored on your computer or in the cloud. If the file is on your device, pick Browse this computer. A file picker will open, letting you navigate to the folder where the file lives. Select the file and confirm. Outlook will add it to your draft, and you'll see the attachment appear underneath the subject line. If it's a larger file, give it a moment to load before you continue writing. If the file is stored online, choose Browse Web Locations and then select your OneDrive. This attaches the file as a cloud link rather than a traditional copy, which keeps the file size small and ensures recipients always see the latest version. After the file appears in your message, you can control how others interact with it. Click the small drop-down arrow on the attachment and choose the access level, such as can view if you want recipients to only read it, or can edit if collaboration is needed. If someone doesn't have permission, they may not be able to open the file. So picking the right level helps avoid follow-up emails. Here is a handy alternative. You can also drag and drop files straight from a folder on your computer, right into the body of your email draft. Outlook will automatically attach them. This is great when you have the file already open in a File Explorer window and want a faster workflow. Before you send, scan the attachment area to confirm the correct files are there and that the permissions match your intent. If you are working with very large files, cloud links are usually more reliable than traditional attachments. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.